Welcome. Go through this section, which is future of AI. In future of AI, super intelligence. What is super intelligence and what are the examples? So we'll go through it. Rank Brain by Google and Google Search, Siri by Apple, Alexa by Amazon. All these are examples of super intelligence. Okay. Cortana by Microsoft, IBM Watson by IBM, and image and facial recognition softwares. These are super intelligence. These are the examples of super intelligence technologies, which is the future. Which is right now it is in the process, but this is the future of AI. And other virtual assistants are the examples of super intelligence. And technological singularity is a future of AI. Transhumanism, like human, like there will be robots will be better than human beings. That's called transhumanism. Like there are certain fiction movies and series on this humanism and impact. So we'll go into the next section where we'll learn more about AI. Thank you so much. See you in the next section.